Hi, I'm Jack, the Cornish Fishmonger, and welcome to the Cornish Fishmonger's Kitchen. Now I am really excited to share with you our hot smoked salmon flakes. This is one of the most versatile things we have on the website. We source all of our salmon from trusted suppliers in Scotland and we smoke it here on site in Cornwall. We trim the sides of salmon up, we salt it and smoke it over oak chips, and then it's cooked while it's smoked as well. That's the hot part of the hot smoked salmon, and then our fishmongers carefully flake it into packs for you to enjoy. As I said, this is one of the most versatile things we have. We can use it in so many different recipes, maybe a quiche, or a couple of examples I've got here. I've got a nice green salad, just leaves, avocado, tomato, and then just flake the hot smoked salmon on top. Or maybe for a midweek treat, probably how I would enjoy it, is a nice creamy pasta with some peas maybe, and then just fold through the hot smoked salmon. If you want any ideas on how to enjoy the hot smoked salmon, or maybe try one of these recipes here, do hop onto our website and have a look around, or just pick up the phone and give us a call. We're always happy to help.